Dinner recipes Bangladeshi. 1. Bengali fish curry. Ingredients: 1 lb of fish hilsa, bekki or rohu. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2-3 cloves of garlic, minced. 2-3 green chilies, chopped. 1 tsp ginger, grated. 1 tsp turmeric powder. 1 tsp cumin powder. 1 tsp coriander powder. 1 tsp red chili powder. 1 tsp garam masala. 2 tsp mustard oil. Salt to taste. 1 cup of water. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions: 1. Wash the fish and cut it into medium-sized pieces. 2. In a pan, heat the mustard oil over medium heat. 3. Add the onions, garlic, green chilies and grated ginger. Stew until the onions are translucent. 4. Add the turmeric, cumin, coriander, red chili powder and garam masala to the pan. Stir and cook for a minute. 5. Add the fish pieces to the pan and coat them with the spices. 6. Pour in 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil. 7. Reduce the heat to low and let the curry simmer for 10-15 minutes or until the fish is fully cooked. 8. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. 9. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot with steamed rice. 2. Chicken biryani. Ingredients: 2 cups of basmati rice. 1 lb of chicken cut into small pieces. 1 onion thinly sliced. 2-3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tsp ginger, grated. 2-3 green chilies, chopped. 1 tsp cumin seeds. 1 tsp coriander powder. 1 tsp garam masala. 1 tsp turmeric powder. 1 tsp red chili powder. 1 cup of yogurt. 2 tsp ghee, clarified butter. Salt to taste. Fresh cilantro and mint leaves for garnish. Instructions: 1. Wash the basmati rice and soak it in water for 30 minutes. 2. In a pot, heat the ghee over medium heat. 3. Add the cumin seeds and let them sizzle. 4. Add the onions, garlic, ginger and green chilies. Stew until the onions are golden brown. 5. Add the chicken pieces to the pot and cook until they are lightly browned. 6. Add the coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Stir and cook for a minute. 7. Add the yogurt and mix well. 8. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pot. Stir gently to coat the rice with the chicken and spices. 9. Add 4 cups of water and salt to taste. 10. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and cover the pot. 11. Let it cook for 20-25 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked and all the water is absorbed. 12. Garnish with fresh cilantro and mint leaves and serve hot. 3. Beef korma. Ingredients: 1 lb of beef cut into small pieces. 1 onion thinly sliced. 2-3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tsp ginger, grated. 2-3 green chilies, chopped. 1 tsp cumin powder. 1 tsp coriander powder. 1 tsp garam masala. 1 tsp turmeric powder. 1 tsp red chili powder. 1 cup of plain yogurt. 2 tsp vegetable oil. Salt to taste. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions: 1. In a pan, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. 2. Add the onions, garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Sew until the onions are golden brown. 3. Add the beef pieces to the pan and cook until they are lightly browned.